Are you looking for the capability and comfort of an SUV? Perfect, because this November, during the Jeep All-Out Clearout event, you could get up to 15% off the MSRP for total discounts up to $11,400 on select new Jeep Grand Cherokee models. This means you can get an exciting offer whether you're looking for the lowest cash price possible or a small payment that fits perfectly into your budget. You could even, on approved credit, lower your current interest rate as low as 0% when opting for our alternative finance consumer cash discount. Let us make you a mind-blowing offer for your current vehicle and get behind the wheel of one of the best vehicles on the road today. It's all happening right now during the All-Out Clearout. But quick, time is running out and somebody might be leaving with your Jeep deal.